Today I'm going to show you how to make fruitcake. You will need 225 grams of self-raising flour, 175 grams of butter or margarine, 150 grams of brown sugar, 3 eggs, 200 grams of raisins, 200 grams of sultanas, 100 grams of candied peel, 200 grams of apple, which is approximately 1 large or 2 small, 1 orange, or you can use 4 tablespoons of orange juice, half a lemon, or you can use 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, and as an optional you can use 5 tablespoons of brandy. As another substitute, instead of the raisins, sultanas and candied peel, you can get a bag of mixed fruit. Just double check the ingredients to make sure they do list raisins, sultanas and candied peel on them. And they can list currants as well, that's absolutely fine. And you'll need 500 grams. Firstly, in a bowl, add your raisins, sultanas and candied peel. Then, having already juiced my lemon, add the lemon juice. And again, having juiced the orange, add the orange juice. Then add the zests of both the lemon and the orange to the mix. Then give it a bit of a stir. And cover and leave for about an hour to let the fruit soak. After an hour, I uncover the fruit and I just give it another stir to make sure that the moisture is evenly distributed. Then in another bowl, combine your butter and your brown sugar until it is a smooth and creamy texture. Then add your eggs and mix well. Then add the mixed spice, cinnamon and ginger, and again mix well. Then add your self-raising flour and again give it a really good mix. It will be quite a stiff mixture after you're done, but don't worry, it will loosen up once you add the fruit. Then add the apples, already having pre-chopped them quite small, and the fruit mixture that we left to soak. And again, give this a really good stir, make sure that all the fruit is well combined into your cake mixture. Then, having pre-lined a 7-inch cake tin, I'm just going to spoon the mixture in there. And after I've put my mixture into the cake tin, I'm just going to make a little well in the middle of the top. This is so then when the cake rises, it will rise so then it rises flat. And in a preheated oven at gas mark 3, 170 degrees centigrade or 150 fan assisted, bake for about 1.5 to 2 hours until a skewer comes out clean. And as an optional, after the cake has baked and slightly cooled, poke holes in the top of your cake and just drizzle the brandy into it. If you do put brandy in your cake, I would suggest leaving it 2 weeks to allow the flavours to mature. If you don't add brandy, you can eat it straight away. And there you have it. That's how you make fruitcake.